Hello guys, Alena from India's Memories is here again, and now we're going to do page 11. So let's see what I have prepared. I just cut from that page, back of that page, and it's actually regular 17 and 3 millimeters and 24 and 1 second. I probably, no, it's okay, 24 and 3 millimeters. So I just cut, and we're going to glue because it will be that simply, and later I show you what we will do. So I secure this with double tape. 1, 2 and 3. Okie dokie. So 1, 2 and 3. Take off top of tape. Fine. Now I put glue on the edge of that paper. Make a bit more. Next. Okay, I'll do it right here. And now I want to have top here like that. Okay, I have to check, that's fine. And we go from this line exactly straight on the middle, like that. I hope. Okay. Now this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is not very well. Okay, we will see what I can do with that. Maybe I can, but I don't have a second. Okay, so I will gently cut. I hope your works. Do not cut the page. 1, 2, 3, and I will try to take off that. Okay. Can you imagine? I don't have glasses, so I take glasses and check what I did. That's happened if I don't check before if it's everything straight, but it's happened. I am not worried because I want to show, even you try do the best, sometimes it's happened. no, okay, I will try with blue. A little bit more here. I don't have other paper to do again, so I have to do like that. I'm not happy. Not very happy. So if I not make clear, I will try to put later something. But I like to fix it. Okay, so if it's not go out, I will try to put in. It's already glued. Okay. You know what? Almost okay. Not will be 100%, but will be okay. Okay, it's not 100% fine, but it's not so bad. Ah, my nails help. So, sometimes it happens, but okay. So now I want to put this folding, and I show you how magic is that folding. You can fold this 10 or 9 if you glue like that, 9 photos. And I show you how to make. So we need A3 paper, and then we measure 9.5, 9.5, and 9.5. Then we turn and we measure 13.5, 13.5, and 13.5. And then we score all this, and when we turn, score here, here, and also here. I don't write, so also here, that have to be cut a little bit. Then we have to be very careful, because what I usually do, when you have that score lines here, so I cut inside the score line here and here, and also I cut this and this, and that go out. Same opposite side, inside the score line here, 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 and here, because, and let's go out, and this goes out. When you fold when you fold 1, 2, like here and here, third, and that fourth, the top, where I write top, you cut a little bit left side, leave like maybe 2-3 millimeters, and then you can cover all that's folding. What I'm talking about is you will cut, I don't know if you see very well, inside, yes, like we have score, so inside here, 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 all we take off, and then when we fold, it have to be inside that score. Inside that score, also that have to be inside that score, and that 3 millimeter are here, so cover all. So we get that book, and I just put glue maybe on 3 sides, so side like here, here, and here. Okay, smear that. Okay, so I want to put this, let's say, on middle. And because I did mistake again, and I tell you what, then I cover that with this card. It will be like that. I have to trim that card to have 9 by 13. Also this sign, sweet things, I was thinking to put some place here. And why I tell I did mistake, before I fold that page, I want to glue this here, so behind. So because I not did, so I take this strip from the rest of the paper, and also I want to put them together, and this strip will belt them a little bit bigger. I want to be loose, and where I have scissors, so I trim it, put glue here, and I don't think it's not big mistake what I did, sneer, to not glue where I don't want, so like this, and what is around we take off. Bravo. Okay, so what I was thinking before, to put that is 1 centimeter score like that, but because I didn't, so what I will do now, because I forgot to do that, so I score 1 centimeter, and I will score maybe half, and also to other part 1.5 centimeters, and doesn't matter, will be on top, nothing wrong happened. So we fold this and this to have something like that, and now I glue just this and snare, and let's say I want to see roses, we will glue that here. Okay, it's not so bad. Okay, it's not. And same that. Okay, snare, and where is supposed to go? Straight? No. Okay, maybe now it's okay. Anyway, still we can put something there, and maybe to decorate that I put it candy. No, it's cupcake. Okay, so we have page 11 done. Oh, I see it's glue here. I don't like it. Ah, that's okay. So it's page 11. See you later, guys. I'm going to do page 12.